How to send automated texts within minutes. Want to save time and never miss sending an important message? Automated texts make it easy. With just a few steps, you can schedule messages, reach your entire audience, and stay connected without the hassle of manual texting. So, what are automated texts? They're pre-scheduled messages sent automatically to your contacts based on triggers you set. Think appointment reminders, emergency alerts, or regular updates. All handled for you while you focus on your business. Why automate? It saves you time, increases reliability, and lets you reach hundreds or even thousands of people instantly. Here's how to get started. First, choose a reliable mass texting platform with features like contact management, scheduling, and reporting. Next, add your contacts. Import a list or enter them manually and group them if needed. Then, create your message. Keep it clear, concise, and personalize it for better engagement. Set your trigger, schedule your message for a specific time, make it recurring, or tie it to an event. Review everything, then activate your broadcast. Track your results with reporting tools to see delivery rates and engagement. Ready to automate? Visit dialmycalls.com and see how simple text automation can be.